Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be taking a look at our new OEM Auxilary switch bank harness, which allows you to simply and easily install our Stage Series light bars into any vehicle that features an auxiliary switch bank from the factory. This harness will be installed today on a 2018 Jeep JL Wrangler and only requires basic hand tools and can be done at home in your garage. Let's get started. Now, the harness that we'll be using today does include connections for 2 light bars. If you're only installing 1 light bar, be sure to take your second connection and zip tie or tuck it away from any moving parts or heat. This particular Jeep came with the auxiliary switch panel from the factory. Jeep has included 4 power wires for this exact purpose, and you'll notice them tucked in behind the battery, 2 10-amp power wires, which are your orange and your blue, and the brown and green are both 40-amp wires. For our purposes today, we're going to be using the brown 40-amp wire that's connected to the #1 auxiliary switch on the inside. Jeep has also included a factory grounding point for this exact purpose. You'll remove the nut with a 10mm socket, attach your ground wire, and secure it. With your ground secure, we can go ahead and connect your power wire. We're going to remove just a small section from the factory wire to gain access. With just a couple millimeters of power wire exposed, you'll go ahead and plug it into your butt end connector and crimp it down. Once your connection's secure, you can go ahead and tuck the rest of your wires back down. With your power supply and your switch connected, go ahead and run your light bar wiring however you see fit, which will vary depending on where you have the light bar mounted. Once that's done, you can go ahead and plug in your Diode connector and test to make sure that everything's functioning properly. We hope that this video has been helpful with the installation of your Stage Series light bar, and if you have questions, visit diodedynamics.com for more information or shoot us an email at contact@diodedynamics.com. Thanks for watching.